So I want to talk about humidity and mold growth in a tiny house. So with there being such a small volume of air in a tiny house, you can change the humidity of the house quickly by just taking a shower, cooking, breathing, plants, dogs, animals. They all create humidity. And when you have a humid house, mold loves humidity. So mold will grow if your house is humid. You may not be able to see the mold, but areas where things are touching walls, like behind your headboard, is a huge area. Like if you have high humidity, the first place to look is behind your headboard if it's up against the wall. If you start to notice humidity, it's really important to get rid of that. So one way to get rid of that humidity is just go buy a cheap plug-in dehumidifier for your home, or you can use the HVAC unit. It's got a dry function, but like I said before, the dry function also has a slight cooling effect, so you can't heat and dry at the same time, which can be a struggle for some. So usually you can tell when it's super humid in your house. When you walk in, it's like a warm, like humid breeze. But if you don't notice it when you walk in, the first sign that I have seen is condensation built up on the bottom of the window. So over here, you'll see condensation building up on the inside. That's humidity. We need to get rid of that. So as soon as you can, turn your dry function on, turn your plug-in dehumidifier on, get rid of that humidity.